Welcome back to the channel. In today's comprehensive tutorial, I am going to walk you through the exact process of how to export a model for 3D printing in the year 2026. Whether you are a hobbyist just starting out with your first printer or a seasoned professional looking to refine your workflow, understanding the nuances of file preparation is absolutely critical. Getting your settings right at the export stage ensures that your final print has smooth curves, accurate dimensions, and zero errors when you bring it into your slicing software, like Cura or Prusa Slicer. If you find this guide helpful at any point during the video, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as it really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making these high-quality guides for you. Alright, let's dive right into the software and get started. The first thing you need to do is identify exactly which part of your project you want to send to the printer. In many complex designs, you might have dozens of components, but often you only want to print one specific piece at a time. To begin, navigate to the browser on the left-hand side of your interface. Once you have located the specific part, go ahead and select the body. You will want to right-click on that specific body name within the browser hierarchy. This opens up a context menu with several different options for modifying and exporting your geometry. From this menu, we need to open the Mesh Export option by clicking on Save as Mesh. This is the standard pathway for converting your smooth NURBS or solid geometry into a polygonal mesh that a 3D printer can actually understand. Once the dialog box appears, it is time to choose the mesh format. You will see a drop-down menu labeled Format, and for almost every 3D printing application, you should set this to STL. While there are newer formats like 3MF available, STL remains the most widely supported format for 3D printing in the industry, ensuring that no matter what slicer you use, your file will be compatible. After selecting STL, we need to set the structure type of the file. You will typically see an option for either ASCII or binary. You should definitely choose binary here. The reason why this setting is best is because binary STL creates significantly smaller file sizes compared to ASCII, which is text-based. This results in much faster loading times when you import the model into your slicer software, and consumes less storage on your hard drive without losing any geometric data. Next, we need to look at the Mesh Refinement settings. This is where you determine how many little triangles will make up the surface of your model. If you are printing a very simple box, you can get away with low refinement, but for functional parts or artistic sculpts, you should select medium or high depending on the detail you need. High refinement will make curved surfaces look much smoother on the final print, but keep in mind it does increase the file size. Once you have tweaked all these parameters to perfection, it is time to export the file. Simply click OK at the bottom of the dialog box and a file browser will appear. Choose a clear name for your file and a folder where you can easily find it. Then hit Save. Your model is now fully optimized and ready to be sliced. By using these specific settings, you ensure that your 3D printer receives a clean, efficient, and high-fidelity representation of your digital work. Thank you so much for watching this guide on exporting for 3D printing. If this helped you get your model ready for the build plate, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more tech and design tutorials. We will see you in the next one.